It might be exactly the example that we're being pushed into towards.
Natalie Bennett, talking about demonisation.
Yep.
Have you recently called for the sacking of ministers that disagree with your thesis on climate change?
Yes.
And why is that?
Well, I think it's climate change is one of the great challenges facing our society, the whole world. And if you think, for example, of if there had been any ministers in the cabinet who had said that we shouldn't help the flood victims, I'm sure they wouldn't have lasted very long with David Cameron. So the climate change is in the same situation.
How is that democratic in your party, the Green Party, for instance, to say that people that war with your idea of climate change must be sacked? How is that?
It's a situation that if we need people to actually act on climate change, it's essential that we act on climate change now. Thank you.
Right. Okay. Have you heard of geoengineering, Natalie? Have you heard of chemtrails, Natalie? You can Google it. Geoengineering, chemtrails, Natalie. I have an indemnity form if you want to sign it, Natalie. Google geoengineering, Natalie. You cannot be ignorant of it if you're the Green Party leader. Okay, duck the question, Natalie, yeah? You may be part and parcel of genocide, Natalie. Is that good for you? Google geoengineering. You're a liar. You cannot be ignorant of the facts. You're a liar. And one of these days you'll meet the people in the court. Why don't you just go away? I'm allowed to film here just as you are, yeah?
No, but as in, like, you're just doing a rant.
It's not a rant, it's a fact. It's geoengineering, it's called chemtrails. You might look up into the sky. It's not a fallacy.
Where she stood on it.
She cannot stand on it because she's lying. And you can sign an indemnity form to that effect. Yeah, just wait until it goes away. But it's not going away, Natalie. You have no right to the leader of a Green Party and call yourself green and democratic. You're a disgrace.